A kid, enjoying his carefree youth, intentionally left several bags of trash on a busy sidewalk. Throughout the day, various pedestrians navigated this unexpected obstacle. Elderly folks, affluent individuals in designer attire, and even a group of muscular bodybuilders all encountered the rubbish. Each of them simply walked around the mess, stepping onto the street to avoid it, muttering under their breath about the state of the city, yet doing nothing to rectify the situation. A homeless man approached with his life's possessions neatly arranged in a worn-out shopping trolley. Unlike the others, he stopped when he reached the bags of trash. He parked his trolley to the side and with quiet resolve began moving the bags one by one to a nearby trash container, clearing the sidewalk for everyone who would follow. The kid, who had been watching from a distance, started to laugh at his efforts, finding amusement in his task. But after few seconds he watched with a growing sense of understanding. This child saw the man's actions not as a source of mockery, but as a profound lesson in responsibility and kindness. While others had passed by the problem, leaving it for someone else to solve, this man took it upon himself to improve the situation for everyone.